Robin Arzón here. If you know me, you know I love a purse snack, and we are gonna be cooking mini energy muffins from my new cookbook, Eat to Hustle, 75 plant-based, protein-packed recipes. These mini energy muffins have protein, carbs, and fiber. In fact, you can eat 3 and you're gonna get 12 grams of protein. The carbs are gonna prep you for your workout. I like to keep these in my bag for when I'm hangry or my kids are hungry. And I actually have them in my bag before I'm gonna teach cycling classes. All right, so let's get our ingredients together. Really the main thing here is that we're gonna be preparing the batter. We've got 1 cup soy milk. I use dairy-free milk. Half a cup of coconut sugar. So the juice of half a lemon, I find that it adds like just the amount of zest to make the sweet ingredients really shine. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I had a whisk when we were first doing like taste testing for my cookbook. It was like broken. My publisher was like, can you get like a better whisk for any of the videos you're gonna be taking for this cookbook? So let me tell you, like the remnants of Eat to Hustle came from very humble beginnings. I'm far from a professional chef. We're gonna set a mesh strainer over the bowl. And really what we're using this for is so you don't have big lumps that you're then needing to work through once the dry ingredients are added to the wet ingredients. Honestly, if you skip this step, like nothing will happen. Like your kitchen won't explode. Like if you're like, girl, I don't have it, you don't have it, it's okay. So we've got 1 teaspoon of salt. I mean, honest to God, like who even has patience for this? We have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and you might choose to use different types of flour in your kitchen. Just know that that'll change the macro breakdown of the final recipe. And then 1 cup of protein powder. I really like either unflavored or vanilla, but just be mindful that if you are using a flavored protein powder, that's obviously gonna impact the flavor of the muffins. Oh, so pretty. Bakers are the nicest people on the planet. They're the most patient, evidenced by this. But sometimes you just wanna go, ain't no way I have time for that. You're going for like a batter, ultimately, that will go in the muffin tins. This is a workout. This is why you take my arms and shoulders classes. It smells really good. And this is where we get to have fun with the ingredients. We're using blueberries and chocolate chips for the ultimate finished product. Here are the blueberries. I'm just gonna fold them in. You just wanna mix that into your batter so they're combined. When I do this, it's usually on a weekend. My kids are usually running around, and I'm gonna make multiple trays of this. Half of it will go in the fridge, or I'll put them in stasher bags, and the other half will go in the freezer, and I can put them in, I was about to say easy bake oven. Oh my gosh. And I can put them in, a toaster oven, and they taste amazing. All right, we cleaned up a little bit. I'm the kind of girly in the kitchen that needs to clean as we go. And now we're ready to prep our batter into a coated muffin tin. I'm using a little handy scooper, and I try to make them a little even. So the recipe makes 24 muffins. If your muffin tin accommodates less, then you just have batter for a second batch. Our mini energy muffins are ready to go in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. This batch is half blueberry, half chocolate chip. Pro tip, if you use a toothpick while they're still hot, in the center, if it comes out clean, they're ready. If it comes out like caked with batter, they still need a few more minutes. All right, I have plated them. 3 muffins, has 12 grams of protein, y'all, and they're absolutely delicious. I think it's a blueberry day for me. Listen, I'm not saying you need these mini energy muffins immediately, but I'm saying you need these mini energy muffins immediately. And the good news is, my Eat to Hustle cookbook is made with you in mind. And I have a dumbbell score for every single recipe, and this is a 1 dumbbell lift. So that means in the kitchen, you're not gonna be exerting a ton of energy because you're gonna be making this quickly. And that is the name of the game with Eat to Hustle.